Alrighty, everybody. Big washout day. Washing out some tie-dyes, about to dye a few more. Come along for the ride. Washing out some t-shirts. We've got our plethora of blue spiral. Very excited for this one. This is a Glacier Blue, Baby Blue, Bluebird, and Sky Blue. Whole plethora of blues. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's Baby Blue, Bluebird, Turquoise.
And Sky Blue.
No Sky Blue. Baby Bird, Bluebird, Glacier Blue, Baby Blue, and Turquoise. This shirt does not have Sky Blue on it. We didn't use any Sky Blue.
Why do you keep trying to name them the next day? We just need to stop doing
I knew what they were. That's why I was just trying to tell them to you. There's no Sky Blue in them though. I know that. It's very hard to keep up with them, especially when they're all a bunch of blues. So, but yeah, I wrote these down so I would remember. Because I kept wanting to say Sky Blue too, but the only reason I know is because I kept having to tell myself there's no Sky Blue. No Sky Blue. But a bunch of other beautiful blues are present. What do you think? What's your initial take on this one?
I hate my turquoise didn't stick more.
Didn't what?
I hate my turquoise didn't stick more. That's about my only thought so far. I like the way the navy blue came out. Okay, well I'm done with that one.
Done with that one? Alrighty, let's go wash it out. To the inside. We're real excited about this one, people. Whole bunch of blues.
It looks pretty good so far.
It really does. I'm upset about the turquoise not staying in as well.
Yeah, but we'll see how it turns out. The final finished washed out product always looks
Quite a bit different, yeah.
I mean, not quite a bit, but definitely different than what it first appears when you first rinsed out in the sink.
Very true.
So, this one I like so far. Let's see how it
See what we got.
There's my collar.
Ooh, wow. Yeah.
There we go, that's the front side.
Look at that.
I like it.
Man. Whoa, a whole plethora of blues. Look at that. That's pretty impressive. Yeah. Hold it out and flip it around. See the back side. Yeah. Oh yeah. That looks good. And here's our final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really good, I think. Look at that. We are quite impressed with this one. Got a nice range of blues, to the turquoise, to the baby blue, to the bluebird. Oh yeah, we're gonna do more like this with even more blues, even more colors, maybe a 5-color, 6-color blue, who knows. I think that, you know, we have a whole lot of blue tones. And we're also gonna do some in some, you know, greens and other colors as well like this. But yeah, everyone liked the first blue, so here's another one. Check it out. I think it'll be live on Etsy if I don't end up keeping it for myself. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.